Yeah, just January.
My name is Django Star. I have been born in Africa. Yeah, today I'm here and just want to tell the people that music is my passion. Yeah, I want to do my music until the rest of my life. So I love my music. My style music is dance house. In another words, we can call it Afro dance house. I gotta make a tour in Brussels, and I want to be also in Paris and in some country in Spain, in Madrid, and some countries here in Europe. Yeah. Today I'm here. I just wanna say, yeah, let's go on. Let's live a life. Let's hear the music. Let's feel the beats. And my hit is about 5 o'clock in the morning, in the night, in any disco club. I gotta go to United States also in November to see what is the shoot house in San Diego. Yeah. So let's see our movie. How it's gonna be the movie? Okay. This is Django Star, having been born in Africa and in the studio, and this is where the place where all the music is come from.
Subwoofer Studio.
The studio's name is Subufal. Okay, this is where I make all my music, all my preparation, and my composing my music. Here I got write my music. If you can see down here, it's where I write all my music in the paper, and I will make all the design. Yeah, going down my keyboard and my stuff here and everything, and all my music is come from here. So I'm special, but you guys, you are much more special than I am, because you guys are coming here to watch Django Star. Yeah. So I would like to tell the people that for my next job, it's gonna be a bombastic job one. So it's gonna be on YouTube, it's gonna be in my Facebook, and check it out in TV International Africa, RTP Africa. So in the RTP Africa, the International TV of Africa, and there you can watch Django Star, star quality. I love you guys. Goodbye. Peace.